In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro in Teams. If you're looking to brainstorm, run workshops, or co-create without juggling multiple windows, integrating Miro directly into Microsoft Teams is a great way to keep everyone focused and in sync. First, you can bring Miro into your everyday conversations by adding it to a channel or chat. Open the channel or chat where your team collaborates, then select the plus icon at the top to add a new tab. Search for Miro, choose it, and follow the prompts. From there, you can embed an existing Miro board or create a brand new one right inside Teams. Consider giving the tab a clear name so teammates know exactly what it's for. This setup keeps your board a single click away for the whole group and helps centralize your documentation, ideas, and decisions. You can also use Miro inside a live meeting. Join or start your meeting in Teams, click the app's icon, search for Miro, and select it. Choose a board or create one on the spot, and it will appear for everyone in the meeting. This is perfect for working sessions, retrospectives, or planning. Since the board is embedded, participants can interact without leaving the meeting, which cuts down on confusion and switching costs. Before you dive in, make sure access is set correctly. Miro lets you control whether participants can view, comment, or edit. Set these permissions either before embedding the board or right after. If you're working with a cross-functional group, give editing to those who need to contribute and comment or view to others. If external guests are attending, double-check whether your board is shared with your organization only or accessible to anyone with the link. Getting this right up front prevents blockers during the session. Once you're in, collaborate in real time. You'll see multiple cursors moving, sticky notes appearing, and shapes or diagrams updating as people work together. Because everything happens inside Teams, there's no need to switch apps or worry about who's on the same page. Encourage participants to use sticky notes for quick ideas, draw or highlight to call attention to key areas, and zoom into frames to stay organized. Finally, keep track of activity with notifications in Teams. The Miro bot can send updates when you're mentioned, when comments come in, or when someone requests access. This helps you stay on top of feedback and approvals without constantly checking the board. If your team is busy, consider adjusting notification settings so you get the signal you need without the noise. That's it. Bring Miro into your channels and meetings, set the right permissions, collaborate live, and stay updated all within Teams.